Okay, I seriously thought I was done for the night, but some very important information given by Avery Lee. Phaeron gave some important observations with the interrupt service routine, and after fixing a small bug there where the state was being changed where it didn't need to be as far as the command pen was concerned, we are now able to boot Jumpman completely. So we'll go ahead and Shift B and boot Jumpman off the 8266. And I did it again. I held down Option. Excuse me for a minute while I redo this. Ah! Alright. I have to remember. There we go. As we can see, rock solid as hell. Coming right off of this guy. We'll try a randomizer. And there we go. Beautiful. All right, that's it for now.